My name is Nurhasanah, and today I would like to share my response to video "What if we accidentally eat plastic and most ocean plastic flows from rivers?" These two videos discuss plastic pollution from different perspectives. The first video explains how microplastic can enter our bodies, while the second video explains how plastic waste travels through rivers and ends up in the ocean. After watching both videos, I realized that plastic pollution affects not only the environment but also human health. Um, the, the first video, "What if we accidentally eat plastic?" explained that humans might accidentally consume tiny plastic particles called microplastic. These microplastic come from larger plastic waste that breaks down into very small pieces that can be found in seafood, drinking water, and even in the air around us. What surprised me most is that plastic does not simply disappear. Instead, it becomes smaller and can enter the food chain, eventually reaching humans. The second video, "Mass Ocean Plastic Flows from Rivers," explain how plastic pollution reaches the ocean. Many people think that plastic enters the ocean directly, but the video show that much of it is carried by rivers. Plastic waste that is thrown into streets, drains, and rivers can travel long distance before finally reaching the sea. The video also presents a solution through technology that collects plastic from rivers before it reaches the ocean. This shows that preventing pollution at its source can make a big difference. When comparing the two videos, I found that they focus on different aspects of the same problems. The first video focused on the impact of plastic pollution on human health through microplastic. Meanwhile, the second video focused on plastic waste moves through rivers and pollute the ocean. Although they have different focus, both videos are closely connected. Plastic that reach the ocean can break down, and so microplastic enter the food chain and eventually return to humans. Personally, this video made me feel concerned and worried. I was shocked to learn that we might accidentally eat plastic through the food and water we consume every day. I also feel sad knowing that so much plastic waste ends up in the rivers and oceans, harming marine animals and the environment. This video reminds me that our daily action matter. Something as simple as throwing away a plastic bottle carelessly can contribute to a much larger environmental problem. At the same at the same time, these videos gave me hope. If people become more aware of plastic pollution and work together, we can reduce its impact. We can use reusable bottle, reduce single-use plastic, recycle properly, and dispose of waste uh, responsibly. Small action might seem simple, but when many people do them together, they can create significant change. Um, in conclusion, the first video teach us about the dangers of microplastic to human health, while the second video shows how rivers carry plastic waste to the ocean. Together, this video reminds us that plastic pollution affects both people and the environment. Let's let's reduce plastic waste, protect our rivers and ocean, and make responsible choice in our daily lives. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
I just had to let you know you're. She a happy baby, she a happy